Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings and then we have to find the security and privacy. Then let's tap on device lock and here tap on the fingerprint. As you can see, first of all, we have to pick a screen lock. It is because that, for example, if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, PIN or password. It is important and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. So let's pick whichever option you want. I will pick the pattern. Let's draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Of course, if you've got the screen lock currently set, you will be just transferred to another step. Okay, so here just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And here we've got the information that you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone, authorize the purchases, etc. So just tap on setup. And here we've got also the information about the screen protector. Because the fingerprint sensor is inside or maybe under the screen, the protector may affect it, so be aware. Tap on got it, and as you can see we've got the fingerprint sensor. So let me put my finger on it, and as you can see I also have the screen protector and the device just checked if it can read my finger. So right now we have to put our finger on the sensor again and do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just added the fingerprint. We can add another if you want to. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got the options connected with the fingerprint. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it just by tapping on it or remove it if you want to. We can also here add another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. It is a usual number of fingerprints. We can also customize the animation, so the radial waves, boomerang and chroma dial. Up to you, just mark the option you'd like to use and go back. Alright, so right now we can check if it will work. So let's lock the device and let's find out. Where is our fingerprint sensor? Hello? Somewhere here. So as you can see, it will not be visible in the black screen. You can simply put your finger somewhere where the fingerprint sensor should be and your device will be unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.